In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove the Powered by Shopify text from your Shopify store footer. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to remove this text, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Removing this text can give your store a cleaner appearance. To start, log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's main page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the Powered by Shopify text in the footer. Click on Online Store on the left side of the screen, then select Themes. Click the three dots next to your store and choose Edit Default Theme Content. Search for the phrase Powered by Shopify in the search bar. Once located, delete the text under Checkout in the system. Click Save to remove the text from your footer. If the first method doesn't work, there's another approach. Return to the three dots and select Edit Code. Search for footer on the left and click on footer.liquid to open the footer code. Look for Powered by in the code. Remove the entire paragraph starting with P and ending with /P. Deleting this will eliminate the text from your online store. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If this tutorial helped you successfully remove the text, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot.